rehearsal, so I'm assuming say mommy and son and number perform last. It's a wash last. I would say her rehearsal. I was so no. When you win, you have to answer. I will hold dear. Then I was what?
Oh, Misro. It's running. It's running.
I'll cry. Meso 190. What a pie 0. Me wa.
But 1 years.
My baby, your second coming. Oh, compare second one to first one. I'll buy her. I didn't so say na one kasa as a personality. Wa home.
But I mean, what's that season way may improve it, pa?
Oba first no. At the end, I'll buy second. You what the boy about soon. Advice when I want to say, hey, I did my baby do wait a second. Then I did 2 for.
Oh, sir, my performance, my costume.
Okay, so for Abraham, yeah, we are no what baby. I would say, baby girl, now to say. Last week, who said a car was stage now. My hammer banner in Panama who they was on the chim. Then I never saw him.
But I made an army, Miss.
Now of him.
But I.
And not him say a couch on my uncle.
But I.
Okay, you know, I cast 7 contestants and about could be free near the 6 echo finals. One of your favorites, star 711 star 60 hash. Now vote FMA will favorite. My name is Sister Sandy and I'm name Anointing and a name Fabom. And now we're Sunny. I have on slow high life. I don't found Monster Jerry. We're trying to hack a crowd, we're trying to crowd. And it's for the women. And I'm a boy. I said, no, I don't found you. What should I you? Bosuka crowd.
Echo ye. Reza say go fine. Who tells me pour down you? It's the no. Just say, me my church want to be na me the echo now. And they do not heavy pa.
And show now found that. My 360 way he don't in a family.
Oh, as usual.
My 360, this is dope. Yeah. Guys, son, or Mutuni fresh churches. Our home other tissues and
oh yeah.
May I shoot because hey boy, that's also some.
Yeah.
Okay, Jay, host now ready. Over standard mineral water. Lavon's tomato mix. I'm gonna say I say water, baby.
Me if you baby, I do know. Oh, Tony, wa me down.
Sing it for me.
Tony, wa me down.
I'm kick it off from United Kingdom for mommy nanny dusty or by the no the bro. Ofi London by the no the by.
Kotoro.
Pounds no so they call you.
Kotoro.
I'm say me bra pay or more the more because about office pounds are watch no Andy Dusty. Me that's a pounds me say can me and na me one bring.
Lady associate me both moon so I'm
yeah, farmer no welcome from United Kingdom. Yes, so ko same wo na easy to won kai hu social no so.
Nyame adom kakra.
BTS, we need a sister Sandy B. I got him out for my Jawara, Lavons, so Bomanima, Lavons for your show. I say Vicky's clothing, friend 0241 600045 0241 600045. What you jam a rich anti-vise? Yeah. Remember, I should not get him out. Hey, mommy. And I so far, I can't last contestant. I'm not on you. I so far more my baby. I was saying,
Ekoye pa, Ekoye, Omoya, dear papa. And I really admire the way our parents, address you more, especially first one about.
I sell them the one that name Prosper.
And a soft life guy, Omoya, dear papa. I mean, the uncle and dress you fine. Then you must say, dear, hey, banding so ya do, and Auntie Harriet and Sonny Beatrice, fairly Beatrice. Omoya, dear. Wow, Team Salom.
And that's what Team Salom mobile.
Team Salom, let me see, I see,
I'm said don't see no. Or see Jama was school. We got the oil we. And Team Salom, where much you on the can?
What's that?
Where what you on the can?
For the love of the game. For the love of the game. And for Adum TV who don't in our.
Where's your team Ghana Besiaba? On also check our rents.
Sister, easy. Orokodo pa. Sister, performance so good.
And why there? Ghana Besiaba, mammy. I don't pay Jama. But I say, who pay Jama? Oh, my papa, me didn't jump. I feel Ghana Besiaba, baba. I feel no baba.
My man is meaning something different, meaning pa.
Okay, what's something different? And Shuma BTS, me need a sister Sandy B. A guy. Okay, Yon Vita Moments, and Shuma Swide. I said, I'm a channel, and I Yon Vita sent Qualani in Alpha Taste, Qualama. Man, Yan is saying, because of you have to meet your Yabi. And I'm a boy, and I was Qualani in actual feelings. Yon Vita, it's a delicious way to grow. Yon Vita.
It's a delicious way to go.
Yon Vita.
It's a delicious way.
A delicious way to grow. Yon Vita. A delicious way to grow. Yon Vita.
A delicious way to go.
Mani bi mame. Yon Vita. Mami me ma. Yon Vita.
A delicious way to.
Mani bi. And to say na echo now to my babies. And then eviction free. Eviction free. Don't say more mommy hug. One say eviction free. The more mommy hug. One nipa. Yo me kwa. Wow, the more for hug and me kwa. I ain't baby my friend and my sister Sandy. Mommy, kwa kebi my. It's obi a mommy hug. Hey. Come here, Yasin. Hey, me. Says I call some happy. I'm quite young, no. Cause I'm happy. Cause I'm happy. Cause I'm happy. Cause I'm happy.
Cause I'm happy. Cause I'm happy.
Okay.
Cause I'm happy.
All right.
Cause I'm happy.
Okay.
Cause I'm happy.
All right.
Cause I'm happy.
And Shoma.
Yes,
Adum TV. Mama mi boza, mama boza, ofiambo, 1, 2, 3, boza. Yeah.
Sister Sandy be a guy na ochegu screen so no one ne mma no nkrankra mame obi anim Sister Sandy de oye nkrankra mame enti no ohia nkola na nkola ni hia na ne ni agye nkola no so eni gye kama na ohwe de ohwe yesisie ya na ye BTS behind the scenes on Enshoma season 8 omo rehearsal omo ye the ekom the co-production no mo niam na ewurawura mu the sugar and the katia and the gari everything inside the BTS no and yeah this one na media ya Lopez ebusuan for na and me na me de Enshoma moment esom wo Adum TV so say ohwe videos na etwegu ye na in the beginning na there's one thing I noticed. There's small boy be no womb. Na Elom, right? Nidi no. Elom. Na Oshe Sister Sandy can be you say ni age no sure so we easy refi actually because 9 years and the kind of confidence akwa no wo ne how okasa to me so ebusa ne say I mean nka we akwa 9 years there say nka ye hwe na say obi perform before you 9 years e usa na ye ya bedru so a nka at least we be hwehwe kakra on everything small but vim na akwa ne ka oh yensuro oh everything is fine maybe okay I say minister Sandy ye 0 free 9 so because I don't understand but no NHS say generation efifi ebe there's a lot of talent there's a lot of say nyankopon or the name bi adua nkola ne mu na odwen ho a onti ase nye your generation they are blessed omo wo akwanya so bebre to express themselves as nkola omunyi sebe yemu maybe me time na nchesa but before no na omunyi sa platform na wo talents bi obetimi abe show first no kra wo talents na obe show because we penny sem dodo kan kwatena se na me yenya kwan akola keto aye kasa bebre basisi ano talent no wo a o maame anase obi kra abonti so ni kwatimi hu kasa obey our talents fa ne controma na eja e de na be piem na why star kese pa until we are encouraging everybody and we are urging you all to support nkola no ewo enstroma so na talent ne de ewo ho na sometimes so ya na yeso ehiam vote ene musika kakra wo vote no na aboa contestant amoma ko ni say nkola na omaka 6 omoko finals na ohwa na chese emu oyeden because obia ya de ohwa performances na on Sunday na omu ina ya de last week Sunday de yensimi amfa enstroma ansomo because na Father's Day inti Adum TV ejapaye wo papa senior celebrity mothers no yan celebrity fathers so na say ya anya de inti no Sunday ye ni papa fo no ko diasa pa Thomas ye papa pa Thomas ne ade omuko shaky grounds no kama inti no na yanfa enstroma ansomo na Sunday ebe die etuem de den to make sure say wo hweye no na wo vote ma o favorite to make sure say obe wini what I say you have to support the kid we have to support them and say ne support you omo a o be celebrity and o be star na wo die me omo fi o to wo any fan group be abetena they push vote na this is the time obete now I want make sure say obe ma o favorites na akofa na obetimi nso so aba enstroma grounds ho baby omo ye show no na wa be support omo with your presence and no sama mo and you jama Ghana dey obe nim say jama ne dey the whole world the whole Africa yanko an ye start jama ye timi hia ye shi jama no sorry ye shi jama no she jamana ema ade sa na adwene e bossa mamo enti no ba na wo de wo so o presence awe dey have support o mama mani age because in crowd they need just a little like who presence ne ade na wo bo nsem omo a na mo ti ada se ya enti eno a na omo hia enti make sure say they be over support yan kula na bibia ay kama na ya eba enstroma moment ene enstroma adwumako a ma so ya sense fa menstroma ensomo Adum TV so season 8 specifically Lavon's tomato paste na wonim say Lavon's nso de say jollof o say live soup o me pa cho esono wadua ha no wadua so na ha no wadua nti me ka aduane bi na wo hwe na won fatin tomatoes nya don't blame me maybe ana me de bibia anwamo any jollof for nya so kins meeting fa tin tomatoes nya but anything we here tin tomatoes Lavon's the best tin tomatoes betimi e dia ye aduane sounds na Franco Trading Enterprise phone papa ahimfie accessories papa adjusio na de bia me catch was Franco or your Father Christmas 247 on train bronya ansa na watete ne nyama so on train bronya ansa na woni customers edili Franco ope any type of phone say Windows Nokia Android iPhone everything omo obi wo ho gas cooker anyama bebre camera na say stop shop na we bie na unfa camera mo bo ho na sales girls ni sales boys ni wia no sister bra look sharp kope cameras of Franco Trading Enterprise na bibia enya kama emma Sanso na Yamvita. Hey, Yamvita, you may say. Me was story, but me can later. Yamvita so ye aduane a eboa nkola no and their growth into we maame na o ba make sure say we beto Yamvita na wa ho no wa ye ne kama ama ne die mu odu na ennuane no bebre nso wom ahoɔden wom enti no o make sure say o de be ma akola no na che say ne nyi no aye from kama vitamin C ennuane no bi ehia ma akola enyi bia no ebi wom enti o make sure say Yamvita obeto ama akola na bibia aye kama ye twa ho agya abo afon kraso ye ba ye beso aso e wa kwa baba nshoma moment we besuafo na ye guso abom nka ye se WhatsApp line no activated sounds na phone lines that obetimi afre ene ye di nkomo e was studio so ye activated into wo show screen so na say numbers ni twegu be fa number no na wa WhatsApp o send message a ye read ama na ya wa kire wa gyenkire de opese wo kire no na wa kire na ye read ama na sense obetimi so afre na ye di nkomo e wa hana o hwe so far the journey from the beginning of the season up until now wa dwenkire wom de opɛ ne de wan pɛ na wo make sure say de wan pɛ no nso no na wo make sure say wa kire de enti a wan vote ama wo favorite na ma ne free ai ni na your responsibility to wan nya de a ebetosi me so wan nya me de ebetosi ntu fra na wo hawo ni na wa ma ye atwetwe nkomo afa ho enti fa number no na ye ndi dwuma no kama na sisi a no ye be kwa kohwe video ye ba ye be di ho nkomo. Charlie, odo bedo. Ya ma fi odo yo, ma fi ni lyrics no. And your vibes okay, that was Safwa right there. Now, Charlie, what's that on your know? I was asking myself, sister, I said she's too much into character because started very soft spoken here. I'm like, okay, she know what she's doing now. She did well. That's my opinion. Or yeah, dear. And so per se, o support Safwa and also o ground. When so taking the grand prize, no one vote here, man. Don't sit there and wait. Say, oh, there's more time and tide. I said, yeah, wait for no man. Until no one vote a man. Sounds no make sure say number ne that screen so no. So oh, and come be opposite would differ in Stroma one. Mind you, ye dear for in Stroma home season 8. And Frey and become Black Stars. It's offer number na wafrɛ na yɛdi nkɔmmɔ WhatsApp line nso da screen nso ɛno nso offer sɛ wo mpɛ sɛ wobɛfrɛ ana sɛ wo baby a wo ntimi nkasa mpo a ɛnti yɛde WhatsApp line nso ato hɔ no wobɛ WhatsApp na wakyerɛ message a wapɛ sɛ yɛ ready ma wo na yɛ ready ama wo kama. Na back to Safoa performance no. My idea of it, I think she did well. I don't think too much any costume, no any performance. It wasn't collaborating. That is my opinion. That is my opinion. And I also now beginning I say I saw a soft spoken bisa. I said no, it's too relaxed. And now should I say relaxed? I say wa calm it down. I said wa fa the form. I said fa the form. I found the form too much. In the beginning, na mente and you know na mente lyrics no. And mind you, I said it earlier. I said and you mentioned the name lyrics. And so I started and I was struggling a little to hear what she was singing or the lyrics she was singing. And you know, beginning, you know, I said na energy no form kakra. Meaning say nervousness and anxiety sometimes it happens. And you know. And no, that is my opinion of the performance. But overall, she did well. And see, Upe said, in the final, and I said, "For winning poor." Now I vote Amane kama. You see, I will amatechiwa. I will line so I any better komo. Hello, sister Ama, what's the name?
Pacha.
Okay. Ma hey na bibi abokodi.
Pacha.
Hey, sister Ama, I say only Safo amu ye pebi say, yeah, very demure. Okay. Manin kwa yetiu.
What ate?
Online emu nye clear. O network nye very bad. Enti yento nka. Enti opa position huye na safre back. Na wo screen so me se number ne yeden. Egusu utwegu. Fa ne frɛ ne ani nkomo. Ana sempo se fa ne text ye wo WhatsApp. Ne yenkenkan o messages. Ewa ha emma na bibia enye kama. Na sa wo hwɛ nsroma na wo hwɛ se na nkola no ebo mo ho modern na wo hwɛ se ne ebi mo what talent, in fact all of them omo nyina omo talent wo hwɛ mpempen so omo duru ya omo ni talent anko mu mu ho eno kyerɛ se bibi judges no ehu bibi dia omo mu enti make sure say wo pɛ se uhu o favorite say obewini the whole season 8 of nsroma Messi time and tide wait for no man. And nothing because oh, I have 1 week. Oh, I have 3 days. Oh, I have more days to vote. You don't have more days. And then you have vote. Or China you have vote. I did change you vote. So never your favorite no. Obetimi a winning at afa grand prize no. E dia kofi na aya ode na asha won so a vote man no animonyam. Inti make sure say obe vote ama o favorite. Kama. Your call our line is on T and in come. Hello. Hello, what's your name? Hey, sister. When was our baby?
Baby.
Okay. Good afternoon. Your friend say.
Your friend Adua.
Your friend?
Adua.
Okay. One of your favorite contestants. And now, if you have any message you want to convey, so I'll be to me.
Contestant, yes. So one.
Ola ni mu twetwesi etwetwi nti pe baby pagina so obetimi asesa baby original sis ana baby awo sese ana wa hwese ebe ye adwuma ama ya because mente dia wo kano anyway ya lucy no but sa wo line so na wo hwe ya sa afre biem na asama na wo pesa wo kan na wo kan because ne ente wo kan I think a network problem ti gina here na frɛ na ye ni nkomo sisi ya ayese ko back akɔhwɛ video ba ko ye ba ya de nkomo no beto aso
so doing to me do ya see you can say oba konantie se man shemi do ya me do even mama bota oh can you my tremio all day now me me
Hey, now, hey, soft life, and all soft tea, yes, I know. I'm on my very soft. Me, I'm a soft dada, but or the more ingredients, I can't wait to say, I know, metitigu, my very soft. Now, small boy danger. Okay, you better was and by Obi-Wan Home to see any better come. Hello, what's make? Hello.
Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Me pacho udin de say na o kasa.
Mami Suzy.
Mami Suzy. Me pacho kasa free.
Kasa pi konongo.
Okay. Mami Suzy mpacho yeti.
Hello.
Hello, what's me ka?
Me pacho ai.
Ai. O bibi a opese wo ka about enkola na say me mbusa wasem.
Enkwala no ma kuma so ade pa ye Kobi,
okay.
Kobi, me was 74 years. Me to me nye, but my friend me ma say akwala no bibi wonu. Enti wo momo de an say on bevo to aman.
Wow.
Aye.
Wow. Enti Kobi.
Me je no ho pa.
Kobi na your favorite.
Papa.
Na again na mommy or yenti a ema woni je no ho sa.
De mama ni je no ho say Akule was over 9 years. Use se oba stage nini ya wadi beba stage kran san wa betonyo. Me wonyum bi a oto yenti a ye fa no kai oto mama nsan nyina ti agampe pa. Me ganjero.
Catch me. I'm very interested.
I say if you do good, you do for yourself. Ono na ma ye fa no. Ma se no bra.
Okay. Okay. And yeah, you who say from beginning na abesi na wo follow Kobe. So ono na make us if you know is a referee if you because 9 years there.
Me framo pass anyu we say we ye papa we ye fa we ye bonia we ye fa. Say wara.
Okay.
Hello sister.
Yes you.
Oh, many Jason come over Makula, we are two sanyum no.
Wait there, special request. Aye. Okay, mommy, that's a baby say.
Yago Shiramo Pa.
Nami Shawnso.
Oh, Shiramo Pa.
Nami Shawnso. Nami Shawnso. Bye bye. Hello, Sandra Altemenka.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Auntie Sandra.
Mpacho
mo say.
Mo yete.
Nami adom boko na wonso e. Okay, yeda jami ase. Yeti o.
Menso me favorite ne Kobe.
Hey, ene Kobe.
Yes, ramwa mo ba na mo de omo no. Code na e boy e de person.
Okay.
Na mo de aso na mo ba e yam meda aso.
Oh, okay. Yeda beto so ama na wetimi e vote. Na me sure. Na me sure onso. Na me sure onso mommy. Na me sure onso mommy ye da se bebre. Ene na Kobe e cold na obetimi a vote ama no mommy I hope say wutie. Obi a nso pese o vote ma Kobe bia no. Eno ane se wa dial *711 *60 hash. *711*60# na what you see Kobe na we follow prompts na we vote am na kama so na nkofo feeling there na you say Kobe no bibi duane mu ene *711*60# and na obetim dia vote ama Kobe na bibia akoso ama na ma wetimi awini grand prize no. Hello Benjamin Otemenka.
Meton kapa sister ya best.
Oh, bra Benji.
Bibia boko dem nya ba.
Ya dum bibia boko na wonso e.
Oh, ya mi adum. Bibia e fine.
Eda ya mi ase yeti o.
Sisia tim de we keep posting count for sisia.
Okay.
Hope ko pa na dia me ka chen kolina na se finals na mu room no. Wo mo nhwe na sinim sikono mo dem go no ni pensia dia mo ko finals no.
Bra Benji, o kasa ni e fast 1 2 yenti di I say o kasa ntem na onsa you have to amplify your voice a little.
Me tum boas naka.
To boas naka.
Okay.
Okay.
No na me can say la no vampire say finals no. Ghana be say about beating kunimu e wo man kase ne takwade ni important ni na se ne be na kunimu di bepa. Tim dem was pa.
Okay. Okay. And yeah, I hope so. Opesa Ghana be say about winning na wo vote day and night and ajo. Oh yeah, fa wa ina na wo vote sa. I hope so. Hello. Ejapia ote yanka. Okay, me ma ha ma kwaba.
Yeah na.
Okay.
Anto, we show ni the die she.
Okay.
Show ni the guy nkran so mo ya ade.
E da se bebre.
Na ade ba kwa ya. Menta anti asense. Nkran to we pomunya adwiwe we mutimi de to enye mpenimfo. Akudam edi ena dublo tre nyum no. Atumi a mo mutimi de 5 days atmasua nyum ya to de emewanwa.
Sa. Yeah, when I can say if you ask me now who I go ask because
film.
O favorite na film. I don't want vote here man no.
It was you.
And man say was like a year campaign. Na ka o.
Me hand me ye man.
Okay. Any that see bebre. Say o ye e man no. Ya me sure how next time maybe our next favorite know we need more. Yeah, that see bebre. Ya me sure. Hello. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Me pacho udin ni bebe akase free.
Yes, me Tiwa mo Kongo.
Okay, Konongo. Okay, yeti o.
Pacho me de Kobe na.
Okay.
Ranu pena sem akasa.
Pena sem, okay.
Ti de bia votu man pa. Kobe de me pena sem pa. Omu nyina ya de, omu nyina. One de. Omu nyina.
Sa.
Omu nyina ya de.
Okay. Okay. Hey, thank you. Sister Tiwa, Medasi Nyamisho. So the Russia Adum TV now supporting Ya Lopez. Nyamisho Bibri. Now Kobe no. Send and go for Team Kobe. Thumbs up Kobe no. I hope so move with it. And I won't say Obenya broken heart to say your last but one caller now. Make sure say thumbs up no now voting so mano. What I say? Now yeah campaign. Emano. Na ni vote ni ekoso nya sa broken heart ni bi becho. Hello. Mary, what's your name?
What's your name?
Okay. Auntie Mary, yet you.
Pacha, make us a fee, Takwa Tamso.
Okay.
Me panata and pine Kobe.
Okay.
Most autumn Juma or Endino, ne Indian po. Ne Indiano or Endino correct pa.
Okay.
Okay. Me panata mo pa.
Auntie Mary. Auntie Mary. Me say obi e ka Kobe. As a Kobe na do also. Okay, we are happy that you love Kobe. But eba no Kobe na dey ade pote enti na down so ewo enkola na aka ni na ntema e ma wo de penase.
Mpacho on America there otun jumna na endi nimpo o endi no correct pa.
Endi na ne ku.
No kumokra.
Okay.
Endi no
okay.
Endi no oh you correct pa.
No problem. Okay. Okay.
Nya mosia oya no hono. There asa simple orotun juma mosia. Orba. Ena Ghana besi abaso me pana sampa.
Okay. Okay. Okay, yeda ase bebre. Yeda ase bebre. Nyame hwa. Now, so na opo masem nyina no. Na wo vote ma omo. Auntie Mary confused kakra. But still na vote. So obesi ma vote am 2 na vote bo 2 ni na. Na de obeti me enwi ni. Ye twa ho aba ebusuafo ye ba ye beto aso. Ebusuafo ye mo akwa aba eva nsoma so. Yemre no ayeme ye time no so ye ke be say bo more videos ni di asa na so ye time no aso na mom ye be hye unkran na ya eje o say yesrew voting ba of favorite contestant se na be ya on free ana say ode se na be ya ode nkunim be fi what I say because I said earlier so wo voting ma the open asem na owini a even though e bia onye obusuani but wan kasa wotifi a oni je because onim say wo vote ye na aye adwuma enti no make sure so be vote ama obi a open asem bia na ontimi mfa price no enkofie na bibia enye kama na me adom ochina 3 p.m. pepepe girls can talk so ebe twegu ewa Adum TV so Ya Lopez metna se agimedwa na me guest atwetwe nkomo. You don't want to miss tomorrow's conversation because it's very interesting and I love the topic. So make sure say na me adom 3 p.m. obetna Adum TV ho atwen na yedi nkomo. Lavons tomato paste na me say me aduane bia me ye bia Lavons na me de ye say jollof o say gashito say ade bia o say de tin tomato si ye bia eno na me de ye e wo dwaso be bia market supermarket everywhere o kwa obenya Lavons ato na wo de aye waduane kama say nkwan say stew say bibia obesimi e de aye sanso na Franco Trading Enterprise e phone papa fie en ye titititi dada ina na eye phone papa fie sanso na ye di accessories so abeka ho enti osaso ye accessories papa efie contact no na muni nkomo na to de opese oto ina sanso na City Blood Tonic ono so oso ya sen se fan Sroma season 8 emro ono so yedana se pa Yam Vita so ya mama na wonte Yam Vita na wonto bi ma ombada ye busa wo say sister dia na woto make sure so beto eno so na akoyi ama nyame ya adoma Sunday shae ewo ensroma so na ye ndi dwuma makra mo mama bye.